Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on and how to turn off the glide typing function in Realme 14x phone. First we need to go to settings. Then in settings we need to scroll down to system and update menu. Then we need to tap keyboard and input method. Next manage keyboards. Then Gboard menu. And here we have glide typing. We need to open it, and here we have a few options that we can turn on or off. So glide typing is here with the switch on or off. We can also choose to leave a gesture trail if we want to. We have gesture delete option right here, and we also have gesture cursor control right here. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.